Hey friends, and welcome back to another Iron's awesome Lego world. Today we are making a Lego classic 10712. It's a helicopter with a gear system that helps the blades spin. And here's it. It's right here is how it will look in the book at the end. Let's get started. First, take a 4x6 plate. Then a 1x4 brick. It's actually a brick. And place it and put the brick like this. Keep that aside. Take a 1x2 with a hole, a long axle with a stopper, and then put the axle through the brick like this. If you took a brick without a hole, it wouldn't go like this. I'm not showing you how it will be. A 2x2 brick with an inverted slope. So if you put it upside down, it'll be like a 1x2 brick with a slope, but it has an inverted slope. Put this, the brick and the axle rod like this, not on the side with the slope but the opposite side. A glass brick like this. This should be the side view of it. Now take a dish, with a cross hole in it. Can you see the little plus sign? And then, I have to move it into a cross because the axle looks like a cross. And then put it through. Because this is a cross and this is a cross. So you just have to line it up. Now, take a connector pin connector, which is normally used to connect connector pins. But for this, it's like this, through the rod. Now, put a gear, another dish with a cross, a cylinder brick, and a circle plate. Wait, before that you have to put another one of these and then put the cylinder brick. Like it should look like this. It should look like this. Put it like this. It should look like this. One stall of every single one should be open, like nothing is over it. The gear might slightly come over it because it's slightly out, but doesn't matter. Nothing should be placed on it except for the brick on the base plate. Now put another glass on top of the glass, a brick on the brick with a hole, and another brick on the other brick with a hole. Next, now it's time for the blade. I'm using these 3 pieces, but what you should do is use a 2x6 plate with holes. I had one, but for some reason I can't find it. So I think, and I thought of this. I looked and because I couldn't find it, I thought of what I can do. So I thought this, and now it fell down. Now put a smaller version of the cross axle I showed near the start of the video. Look how small it is. It's like postage. Oh, don't get distracted. Now put another gear through it and put it through the center hole. Put a 2x2 round plate with a hole in the center, not a cross hole, a normal hole, a circular hole. Wait, like this. As you can see, there's nothing stopping the base of it, neither the circle one. Now put it through, and then put a cylinder brick. There's no cylinder brick with a circle, but yeah, it should be a cylinder brick. And yeah, now place it on like this. Wait, I had to turn the yellow gear so that the black gear could fit. See, if you turn it from here, it'll be almost impossible, because how can a sideways turn straight up? Now it's time for the tail. These two bricks I used. If you're using the box, then it should be half of this. Now it's time for the blades. They are 1x6 plates. Put one like this and another one like this. Make sure it covers all the studs of the cylinder brick and they're facing the opposite direction. Another one like this and another one like this. Wait, I think I put the tail in the wrong direction. It should be on the gear side, because does a helicopter have its tail in front of the cockpit? Like on the side of the cockpit. And now put a round tire. If you're using the pack, the one which has like a hypnotized eye. Now it's time for the base. 1x8, which I made with two 1x8s, which I made with each with two 1x4s. Because I use 1x4s, I can connect them with the next piece. A 1x2 plate with a bar. Handlebars have like extra turns on them. Now connect them with 1x4 arches. Make sure they are right next to the exact stud next to the 1x2 plates. Do it on both sides and put the rest on top of that. And that's all. Thanks you guys for watching and make your own helicopter. Drop a like and